that's police.
Is that where they put the ball? The apple?
Sunny Vicky.
It's an entrance on 45th Street.
Over there.
$20 or $25.
They look the same.
The same as any souvenir kind of places, you know?
Mm-hmm.
When you think of Han, you might think about the tragic timing of 200 You're walking up to your fourth floor apartment in a heat wave that's breaking your spirit. But heat can work in your favor.
I'm dying. Alright.
Get a slice of pizza.
Where's the slices?
What's the plain one? This way.
No, let me put it up. $4?
$5.
5?
This way. This way. Now we need egg rolls, Chinese food, and bagels.
Pizza is done
For now.
for now.
Till we try another one. Gyro, hot dogs, patties, hamburgers, chili cheese dog, hot sausage. You know, I hope my brother likes this. Hope he appreciates this. getting lost in New York, trying to find him some bagels. Bagels.
Huh?
Rotten ass bagels.
That's the one you've been looking?
My brother wants some bagels.
Okay.
What time you guys on?